I'm trying to catch a bubble, but they keep popping! Why can't I catch a bubble without it popping?
¡Vamos a averiguarlo!
Great idea, Ovejita! Let's find out!
Yeah, want to know what it's all about? Ask a question and let's find out!
Hey guys, how do you catch a bubble?
Let's find out!
Yeah! See if you can catch one without making it pop.
I caught that one. I got a tiny one. Here.
Why did you think they pop? They do pop really easily. A lot of bubbles popped. We kept a few, right? So
Yeah,
bubbles are made out of soapening. Why do you think they're popping?
Because it's really thin layer of just stuff, and there's air inside it, and there's air outside it.
I think we could set up an experiment to see if there are some surfaces that bubbles will land on better than on other surfaces.
Oh boy, we're gonna do an experiment to see if we can catch some bubbles. In order to catch a bubble, you can choose from the soapy water, the gloves, the dirt, the aluminum foil, and the plain water. Bronwyn, what are you gonna choose to catch a bubble?
I think I'll have to go with the dirt.
Go for it, Bronwyn. Yeah, those are some nice dirty hands. Good luck.
What did you choose?
I chose dirt.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I think it'll stay for a few seconds, but not for a long time.
Okay, let's give it a try.
No.
Don't work.
Ah, the dirt didn't work. George, what are you gonna choose?
I'm gonna choose the tin foil.
Oh, go for it, George. Good luck. George caught it with the tin foil. Yes. Sam, what are you gonna choose?
I think I'll choose soapy water.
Go for it, Sam. Good luck, Sam. The soapy water worked. Gus, what are you gonna choose?
The gloves.
Okay, take the gloves and try to catch those bubbles. Aw, the gloves didn't work. All right, Ava and Hannah, one choice left. You get the water. Go for it. All right, guys, go catch those bubbles.
It worked.
Wow, so some materials make the bubble pop. And some don't. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I did it! I caught a bubble! Ovejita!